To pay with Apple Pay in store. Start by making sure your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have a supported credit or debit card. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign to add a new card. Follow the prompts to enter your card details and verify your information with your bank. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay to make purchases in store. Look for the Apple Pay logo or the contactless payment symbol at the checkout. When you are ready to pay, hold your iPhone near the contactless reader with your finger on the Touch ID or double-click the side button for Face ID devices. You will see a prompt on your screen to confirm the payment amount and the card you want to use. If you have multiple cards in your wallet, you can select the one you want to use by tapping on it. If you are using a device with Face ID, you will need to authenticate the payment with a glance. After you confirm the payment, you will see a check mark on your screen and you will receive a receipt for your purchase. You can also view your transaction history in the Wallet app to keep track of your purchases. To use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch near the contactless reader. You will see a prompt on your watch to confirm the payment amount and the card you want to use. Best practices for using Apple Pay in store include keeping your device and card information up to date, monitoring your transaction history, and being mindful of your surroundings when making a payment. By following these steps and tips, you can use Apple Pay to make fast and secure payments in store.